Peace and love, African family, peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family, and after breakfast we go to relax in the sun. We go on the swing song. We go to get a massage, and then we take a sleep. So we just wake up, family. We just wake up, and you're making your eyebrow, right?
Yeah.
We just wake up, and family, where we're heading to now, we're gonna go to get food. We're gonna get food at Lukmaan. I want to take this journey along with you. And you see, I want to get some. What does it say you want to get?
Dera.
So she want to get dera, because they don't have nice one in Kenya. So we're gonna go to get some dera at the maybe the closed market, or you know what I mean, the cultural market, or whatever it is, family. So we actually head into Stone Town. So Lukmaan is at Stone Town. It's a nice food place, and I really want to share that with you. You know, we're just gonna go and take tuk-tuk to Stone Town. We're gonna go the local way, not the tour guide way, the local way. So let's do this, guys, while we go like, share, comment, and continue watching this vlog. Ankeru, Jam Tours Africa, we are out. Miss Jam Tours, have anything else to say?
No, come with us. I go eat.
You go eat, you're hungry?
Starving.
So what's that they're putting on your face?
Actually, I forgot my
eyelash?
These are comb. No, these are my lashes. I just combed them.
Yeah.
The problem is I forgot the original comb, so like it's the way it has sticked on each other, so
yeah. Alright guys, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, family. So we just wake up. And what time is it now, sweetie? It's like maybe like 2, and the sun is out. The sun is out, and we're heading out, and the sun is out. Yeah. It's 7%.
Yes.
Yeah, I think that will carry your phone whole battery a lot, family. Yeah, guys, so let's go. Just waiting for this video to finish upload, and I'll go. What outside looks like, and the sun is shining in. Yeah, family. So we're actually talking to Amesh. Amesh
It's been changed.
It's been changed.
By grandma. Amesh, baby, grandma is really taking care of you.
Yeah, and Amesh, we miss you.
Amesh, we miss you so much.
We miss you like crazy.
He's smiling. Look at him smiling. Hamu.
Amesh, next time we'll be going with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, family. So we just check out at the hotel, and we're gonna go on this the street side to actually see if we get a tuk-tuk.
Jambo. Nzuri yako. Asante.
Yeah, family, so this is what it looks like on the street side. As you know, Hotel Vard is right on the street side, and the breeze is so cool. As you can see, guys, the bike and everything. It's waiting for us. Tuk-tuk. Maybe we can see. Oh, what are you? Yeah. There's a tuk-tuk coming now. I thought it was a tuk-tuk. It has a umbrella on it. As you can see, it's coming with an umbrella.
Oh yeah.
I thought it was a tuk-tuk.
I think they're covering
Yeah, family, so we're heading to Lukmaan. This is a matatu. So we're just waiting and waiting.
You have to be on that side.
Yeah?
You have to be on that side, right?
No, sweetie, it's this time. I said we're going. It's not that way we're going. Which way we're going? You sure?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, this East African. So let's go on that side.
Yeah, and then I'm sure it's this way because when we came yesterday,
We came from
this gate from this side. It's
Yeah.
a tuk-tuk, but it's going this way.
stop it and see if they can maybe turn. No, let's stop this one and see. Oh, that's somebody. It's not empty.
I think when they come like this, they have customers for going. So this one has customers.
Yeah. Tuk tuk. Tell me how the tuk tuk. Tell me how it look. Tuk tuk. Come in tuk tuk. That one has a customer.
Yeah, it has
That one can't tell me how me hood look. Cause we in Tanzania take tuk tuk. Every girl fi have a cook. Yeah, fam, we're waiting on a tuk-tuk, so we're just waiting and waiting. Let's wait. Yeah, family. So we actually get a tuk-tuk. Oh, this tuk-tuk is very clean. Yeah, family. So we actually get a tuk-tuk. And this tuk-tuk is so clean. Looks like it's brand new. So we're actually heading on to Lukmaan now, family. That's actually in Stone Town. So we're gonna take you a long time. Let's go! Yeah. Maybe we should take him number and stuff. Yeah. Zanzibar, we are part of Zanzibar. How much is that? 4,000? Wow. Yeah. That's like 2 times. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Na pia kuposti kazi za wasanii ambao
Tanzania. Oh, the tuk-tuk here is very clean. Look at that one. Clean. Yeah. Actually, I look at traffic now. Look at that one. Everything is clean. See, look at that tuk-tuk. Oh, big camera, okay. Where say this mean Dara? What that mean? Where see how much stoplight is in Zanzibar? There's no stoplight in Nairobi. There's this video, Lukmaan, they just come straight up and just turn that way. Remember this? Yeah, fam, so we're heading into Stone Town now, family. Heading into Stone Town. Yeah, Lukmaan is just it's right there. We're heading into Stone Town. Yeah, right there. Yeah, I think we are right. So we just come straight and just go that side. Remember? Yeah. Just walk inside. Yeah, I think so.
Tumefika? Oh, pale mbele.
Yeah, family, so we actually just reached and the price The price is actually 4,000.
And best actress.
The price is 4,000.
Achievement in soundtrack. Yes, pamoja na lugha.
Take his number, sweetie. You can come on for that. So you just pick us up back. Yeah, family. So we had Lukmaan, as you can see. Lukmaan to eat. We're gonna be eating at Lukmaan. Yeah. It has credit, sweetie. It has. You don't have credit.
It's alright. I've taken the number with phone. Sawa.
Yeah, family. So we're actually at Lukmaan. So, sweetie, so this is what Lukmaan look like. The fresh fruits and things. You see the line long inside. Yeah. Wow. I want to get a smoothie first. I'm going to start with a smoothie. What kind of smoothie you have? That's what kind of smoothie. Yeah, family, so we want to start with a smoothie. Huh? Oh, you like the smoothie? It's good. I'm gonna self-serve.
You want to order it yourself?
Yeah, I want to see what they have. But everything that is here is on the menu. I feel like I want to go and take it. I want to see how it cook and prepare and things.
Alright.
She's coming.
Alright.
Now, Zanzibar, this one vegetables, Zanzibar, this one biryani. This one.
Boss, fish.
No, fish. That is
Can I get some okra? Yeah, I want it.
We order now.
Yeah.
The okra is there. We order there.
Oh.
Here, only seafood.
Okay. I want to get the fish though. I want to get a fish.
Yeah, this one, this guy. Okay?
The fish ready yet? Huh? Yes. Just one.
Great seafood. Prawns and fish. The last one over there, we have French fries, mixed chicken powder, and chicken tip. You have a similar. You have similar.
Sweetie, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make sure
It's processing again now, the red one.
I'm gonna make she come and I show her what I want, so just write it down. Yeah. When she come, right?
I was telling you.
So I want this fish. Fish.
Which one? This?
Yeah, that one.
And?
And what's I'd like to have some.
Okra, green tomato.
Yeah, let me have green tomato.
Yes. It's a porridge with chicken, it's sweet banana.
And let me have some that's pumpkin here, right?
Yeah, sweet pumpkin.
Let me have sweet pumpkin.
It's like cassava leaf.
Yeah, let me have some cassava leaf. And that one is what? Which one? That white thing?
The rice mix of small green peas with the coconut.
Alright, let me have some of that. Okay, and let me have one chapati.
That's it?
That's it. Sweetie, don't worry, you can maybe have some of my food. Yeah. Ah, that big whack. Big whack. Yeah, family, so I just placed my order, so I'm just waiting on it to come. Yeah, family, so actually get a baobab to actually take home with me from Lukmaan. As you can see, guys, this is the tree. I'm actually highly blessed right now. This tree is on the tree of life. This tree never dies. You see how big it is? Yeah, family, so I'm going to take home this baobab with me. Yeah, I'm happy to have this baobab with me, family. I can maybe take more than one.
You can carry like 2 or 3.
Yeah, family, so I got 2 baobab. Baobab, I'll take baobab. This is the tree, family. Baobab tree. This is the tree of life.
It's very tall.
So family, you can get the baobab fruit powder from Vegan Choice Fruit Shop. You can get the powder. Vegan Choice Fruit Shop. So much minerals in it. So much. Yeah, family. So this is the food at Lukmaan. Just place my order. Chapati, sweet. Yeah, I love this rice. So can you taste it? It's very nice. Taste it. I had it the last time I was in Tanzania. How it tastes?
Wait, but you cook with coconut?
Yeah.
I could just because the Jamaican rice.
It's coconut. It's close to Jamaican rice.
The taste.
Wow. So delicious. You can't eat this rice alone. You don't need.
You don't need a stew. What type of green are those?
This is cassava leaf. Wow. Very nice. cassava leaf. Yeah, family, this is Jam Tours Africa. Like, share, and subscribe to the video from Lukmaan, Stone Town. Check it out. Place to eat when you come to Zanzibar with our Zanzibar par. One love. God bless. Jamaica.